Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time.
To replace the right lid bushing on your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and lift up to move it out of the way. You can use a small chain or bungee cord to support it. Unthread the screw. Lift the tab to a 90-degree angle and tilt the lid. Then slide the bushing off. To install the new right lid bushing, lift the lid and place the bushing over the hinge. Fold it down to seat it. Rethread the screw. Remove the support from the backsplash. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Plug in the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.